Hello everyone, welcome to Learning School. Today we will discuss about the child development and pedagogy, which is the most important subject if you are going to appear OTET exam or CTET exam, Odisha Teacher Eligibility Test. Okay, and for your information, I want to tell that this is come 30 marks, okay, in OTET exam or CTET. And if you are appearing OSTET, then the child development and pedagogy portion is of 50 marks. Okay, here are some important questions. Let's discuss it. Which is the correct sequence of Piaget's stages of cognitive development? As we know that there are 4 stages of Piaget's cognitive developments. Then first it comes sensory motor, then pre-operational, third concrete operational, and then what? Formal operational. And where it is? Pre-optional, sensory motor, pre-optional, concrete operational, and formal. Then here the answer will be C. Okay. Next question. During the formal operation stage, children begin to what? Formal means the fourth last stage. In this stage, children what does the children do? Think in terms of abstract principles and hypothetical situation. Means in this formal operational stage, children become abstract, means completely, deliberately, diversitily think. Okay. Next, a child is largely non-verbal, is learning to coordinate purposeful movement with sense information, and is developing the concept of object permanence. The child in Piaget's dash stage. This is very simple questions. The answer will be what? Sensory motor, the first stage, sensory motor. In this stage, the child can only sense of object. Okay. And this is the chapter about Piaget and Vygotsky. Okay. Next question. According to Piaget, adaptation is the process of adjusting schemes in response to the environment by means of assimilation and what? This is also simple question, accommodation. Next question. The Piagetian stage during which understanding of the world comes about through sensory experience and motor actions. Sensory experience means sense, like you are seeing any object and you are looking forward that object. And motor actions means while a infant in 1 year, they do some motor activities like crawling, walking, trying to walk. These all are motor actions. Okay, and the answer will be here sensory motor stage. Next question. In Piagetian terms, the cognitive ability to solve problems that develop in adolescence is called what? Hypothetico-deductive reasoning. Okay. Next question. According to Lev Vygotsky's concept of zone of proximal development learning is here. This is ZPD, means zone of proximal development. And the zone of proximal development means what? Here the answer will be a social activity between a less knowledgeable child and another adult or child who is more knowledgeable. Means there is interaction between two child. One is child, and if child, obviously child are less knowable, they have little ideas about something because they have come to the world newly, and they can do some work, some activities with the help of adult, and this is refers to the zone of proximal development. Okay, next question. Next questions. Vygotsky's theory of cognitive development best reflects and what? There are four options: behaviorist approach, information processing approach, structuralistic approach, social constructive activist approach. And here the answer will be D, social constructivist approach. Vygotsky's theory is based on social constructive approach. Next questions. Which of the following educational practice is supported by Piaget's theory of cognitive development? Okay, options are: teachers should treat children as passive receptacles. B, assessment should focus on the use of standardized tests. C, teachers should require rote learning, that is tested frequently. D, classrooms should be less structured, allowing for discovery learning. And here the answer is D, classrooms should be less structured, allowing for discovery. Means the classroom must allow every children to discover new concept, and the classroom, the teacher also use various object, various methods to learn. Okay, next questions. Dash occurs when a teacher adjusts his or her level of support and guidance to the level of skills of the student. Okay, when a teacher adjusts his or her level of support and guidance, what happens? It occurs scaffolding. Okay, next questions. According to Erikson, which of these is the most important aspect of the ego? Erikson's theory is based on ego, and here the answer will be ego identity. Next questions. Self-regulation of learners refers to: option A, their ability to monitor their own learning. Option B, creating regulation for students' behavior. Option C, rules and regulation made by students' body, self-discipline and control. And the answer will be their ability to monitor their own learning. Okay. Next, who is the father of genetic epistemology? Here the answer is A, Piaget. Thank you.